guys, I'm so excited to share what I got in this month's Boxycharm. If you guys want to see me use some of these products, stay tuned. Thanks for checking in with me today. If you guys don't know about Boxycharm, it is a monthly box subscription. They send you 4 to 5 full-sized high-end products. You're gonna get a card and they're gonna list all the items you received with their description of the item and the price point. First thing I want to share with you is this Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleaner and conditioner. I was very excited to receive something to clean brushes. I did a video all about brush cleaning. If you guys didn't see that video, please check that out. I'll put a card up here for you. Let me just read to you what it says on the card.
Prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes with the Aesthetica Pro Series cleanser and conditioner, specially formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools.
This retails for about $12. It did a wonderful job to wash every single thing out, including my brushes. This was very, very effective, but I had to use a lot of product to get everything out. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It says,
a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow.
This retails for $79. It has a wonderful rose scent. I love it. I tried this at night and I also tried it underneath my makeup. I really, really like this. This is very, very moisturizing and it's very, very smoothing on the skin. It did a wonderful job to smooth underneath the makeup. I will be using this again. The next product is this brow bar by Rena. The back looks like this here. It says True Glam Brow Makeover Kit and I got it in the shade dark. And it says,
style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush.
This retails for $30. So I actually lined my brows first with the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. This comes with 2 brow shades. I mixed in these 2. This is a very, very pigmented palette. If you have a firm enough brush with this powder, you don't really need a pencil because this stuff is so pigmented. And there's a concealer here to clean underneath and above the brow. This also comes with a tinted brow gel and a small dual brush. This is the brow gel that it came with. It's rather big. When you first apply it, it gives you that overly wet look and then it dries down to this. You can do a full brow with this. I thought this was very, very nice. I am happy with the way my brows turned out. I was very excited to find this in my Boxycharm. This is the Little Red Riding Hood StoryBook eyeshadow palette, and when you open it, it looks like this. It's very, very cute. This palette was very, very pigmented. The shimmer shades are buttery soft to the touch. Look how gorgeous. This is really, really, really pretty. In this video, I used woods all over the lid, including the crease. Basket is in my outer V and up in the crease area. I used Bad Wolf all over the lid and underneath the lash line. And I also blended woods into the bottom lash line. So that's the look that I pulled together using this palette. It is a little bulky, but I don't mind that because it's so freaking cute. I think they are also sold on Ulta, including some of their brushes and their brushes. The last product that I got is a blush. This is from Ciate and this is the Marbled Light Blush in the shade Dusk. I have a thing for marbled blushes. To be honest, when I first opened it, I was like, I don't really prefer pink blushes. I like peachy nude blushes and more bronzy type shades for my skin tone. This is the swatch here. I'm not sure if it's coming off on camera. I didn't think it was gonna come up on my skin, but I was pretty happy with it and I will use it again. So that completes this video, guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the link so you could check out some of my past videos. I'll see you guys later.